we're going to be making some banana bread because I have some pretty ripe bananas. So I'm gonna go ahead and open all 3 of them up. And just make a pile of peels. They're so soft. There we go. See, they just fall right open. I think that makes for a perfect banana bread. Last one. There we go. Got all 3, get rid of the peels. Now I'm going to go ahead and mush up the bananas. They should mush up pretty easy because of how soft they are. And usually when I make banana bread, I like to leave my bananas just a little bit chunky and not so smushed. I like a little bit of banana chunks in my banana bread. Next, I'm going to add the baking soda. And I just need a teaspoon of baking soda. Sprinkle that in. Don't need that anymore, and we're just gonna mix it right up. Okay, and this is melted oat milk butter. So it's dairy-free butter. Just gently mix that in. There we go. And next, what I'm going to add is just a pinch of salt. And there we go. Now what I'm using is actually coconut sugar since I don't have any white sugar, but I'm just using it as a 1-to-1 ratio. And there goes my 3rd scoop. There we go. I like using coconut sugar for baking. It works pretty much the same. Sometimes it can't be as sweet as regular sugar, so just be careful if you try to use it. There we go. And now we're going to go ahead and add in our eggs. We just need 2 eggs. One and 2. Okay. Just had to get rid of the eggshells real quick. And I also like to add cinnamon. Cinnamon just brings out the flavor of the banana bread in my opinion. And next we're going to be adding in, if I can get it open, there we go, vanilla. Classic vanilla. Just need a teaspoon of that. And just mix it right on up. Try to break those little egg yolks apart. Come on. Got it. Just mix that nice and well until it's combined. And I'm not using my mixer this time just so I don't overwork my banana bread. Just a little bit longer here. There we go. And next we're going to add in our King Arthur flour. It's gluten-free, measure for measure. Just need 1.5 cups. So there's my 1 cup. And just need 1/2 cup. And I wish I would have slowly mixed this in, because I feel like I'm just gonna make a mess. But, oh, there we go, there's the mess. Gotta get this off the sides. Still making a mess, but that's okay. We'll clean it up anyways. What do you like to add to your banana bread? I know walnuts is really popular. I kind of want to try fig jelly in the banana bread or on the banana bread. Usually I like to top my banana bread with peach butter. Just gives it a nice little bit of sweetness. Our batter's coming together really nicely. Now we're going to go ahead and pan it. I've already greased my pan with butter, the same oat milk butter that I used for the recipe. Just get that in there. Gotta get the sides, of course. There we go. And just spread the top nice and evenly into your pan. Now, to give my banana bread just a little bit of sweetness, since I did use coconut sugar, I'm just going to add some light brown sugar on top. It's going to give it sweetness and a nice crunchy topping. Not too much though, just a little handful. I usually like to put a little bit more than I want to because I know some will fall off when I cut my banana bread. And we'll bake it for about an hour. And it's done. I'm gonna go ahead and test it. It's nice and springy, so I know it's done. Scrape down the side so I can get it out of the pan easier. Okay, just flip that over. Looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do something I know you're not supposed to do it, but I'm gonna do it anyways because I like my banana bread hot out of the oven. I'm just gonna cut the banana bread. There we go. And I always like to take a nice slice right out of the center. Looks good and it smells really good too. Thanks for watching.